Hi, it's Sharon LaFlamme with the Toothbrush Yoga series in my bathroom sink with more natural cleaning ideas, non-toxic, good for you and your family. So making my own natural all-purpose spray. You want to just shake it up. I've got a nice glass container because of the problems with plastic and all the B's, BPA, BPS. I just spray it in my sink. Sometimes I let it stay there. Sometimes I remove it right off. But let's go into my shower again because I wanted to show you that I do put the baggie up onto my shower head and I have my filter. And after I shower, I love to spray the vinegar around and just let that sit. But my favorite thing to do, and the thing that I'm going to show you next, is my all-natural mold spray. It's got tea tree oil and eucalyptus oil. And you know, this is a great way to stop and prevent mold. So if you're finding mold in your sticky bathroom, especially in this humid weather, spray this. And I can get you the directions and recipe to do that. So I wanted to show you that because I want you to have a safe, non-toxic, healthy day. Hope I see you on all my social medias, on Twitter, on the Toothbrush Yoga series. Bye for now. Namaste.